Hi, are you experiencing neck stiffness with arm pain, particularly in the forearm? And it's really common if you're on the computer and your shoulders are slung forward and your head is postured forward. Well, you put a lot of tension on a nerve called the radial nerve. And that radial nerve goes under tension and it starts to hurt. And a lot of times you experience it right here in the forearm. And a lot of times you also have neck stiffness when you move it. So the first exercise I want to show you is to address the radial nerve. The first thing you're going to do is you want to take that hand or arm that's hurting. If it's your left, it's going to be your left. For demonstration, I'm going to do the right one. And you want to take the hand like you're trying to reach back for a high five. And as you reach back, you want to turn your head away from that shoulder and then raise the arm up to the side. And you may feel that tension down the arm, particularly at the elbow. So you're going to turn your hand back and raise it as your head turns away. Okay, so from a side perspective, the first exercise is you want to reach back like you're getting a high five. You want to turn your head away and raise it up to the side. And you're going to go back down and go again. Up and down, up and down, okay? And that's a great glide for the radial nerve. Now, let's say it is just strictly forearm pain. There's a technique or a self-treatment called a pin and stretch. So what you can do is take your other hand and you want to take your thumb and press on the muscles of the forearm, particularly the top muscle at the elbow. And if you press, you might feel it very tender, and that's good, that's okay. Press through that, and then you want to bring your wrist down and back up. So I'm pinning the muscle, I'm stretching it at the wrist by pulling at it. And you may also get some benefits from that as well. So you go back and forth, you want to pin that muscle, and you just got to be tender, and usually it is quite tender anyway, and you want to bring the wrist down and back up, down and back up. So I'm pinning it at the elbow and stretching it through the wrist. You know, go back and forth. I recommend doing both of those exercises 10 times a setting, 4 to 5 times a day. If you can, take 4 to 5 breaks a day as well from the computer and do these two. Also, reference our previous video that we made for postural exercises to help you when you're having upper back pain as well from using the computer. So I hope this helps. If you have any further questions, you're not sure what's going on, and you want some further clarity, give us a call, or you can email us as well at the bottom information. All right, thank you, and see you next time.